What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. Today I was about to head to the store real quick, and I realized that my Scat Pack right behind me was on E. So I figured this would be a perfect time to do a gas video for you guys. So I'm gonna head to the gas station, which is probably about 5 or 6 miles from here. I'm gonna head to the Shell gas station, and I'm gonna let you guys know how much it cost to fill up a 392 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack. So I'll see you guys when I get to the gas station. All right, guys, so as you can see, I tried to do a cold start, but it wouldn't let me. It counts out the cold start after 10 seconds. That's because my fuel was low in my car. So like once you get like maybe like 20 miles or below, it'll counts out the cold start. So I'm gonna just go ahead and crank it up. I'll see you guys when I make it to the gas. So I just made it to the Shell gas station. As you can see, I think right now gas is, I use V-Power. Make sure you use V-Power if you got your 392, any kind of Hemi car. Make sure you use the V-Power. It helps keep the engine clean. But anyway, I think gas is like $2.99 a gallon, almost $3. So like I said, I'm on E right now. I'm about to fill it up, and I'm gonna let you guys know how much I put in here to get it to F. All right, guys, so as you can see, I just filled up my Scat Pack charger. It took me basically $50. It was already, I think I had maybe like 21 miles by the time I got to the gas station. And I filled it up with $50, and that's roughly around 16 gallons. So this should last me probably to about 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half. Like I said, the only reason why it lasts me that much is because this is not my daily driver. I got a 2010 Charger back at the house. That's the one I drive to work Monday through Friday. And I drive this one here on Saturdays and Sundays on the weekend. So this gas should last me a little bit. I know it's a lot different for some of you guys with Scat Packs, and definitely with the Hellcats. Like I said, it's a 2019 version. I don't know about the wide body versions, but I'm pretty sure they all eat up gas, you know, especially if you're driving in sport and track mode. and all that stuff. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.